Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change brightness in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing this clipboard in the main menu, or by pressing the escape key or the menu key and then selecting settings. Next, select graphics. In this section, look for brightness. As you can see, by the default it is set to 6%. You can lower it down to 0 or go as high as 100. In the background you can see what the changes look like. I'll stick with, I think, 0. Once you make your choice, press apply to save the changes and close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.